Hey, and welcome to this video for TerraSafeCloud.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create your account on TerraSafe Cloud and go ahead and download the free trial to start using the software today. Alright, so first let's go ahead and head to the website. It's TerraSafeCloud.com. Once you get there, you'll be able to go ahead and register for a free account. So once you head to the website, you're going to see that there's going to be an option to download the trial. So once you head here, we can click on this button that says Download Trial here. Okay, so after you click on the download trial button, you're going to come to the product configuration page. So here we can go ahead and put in the information for our account. So we're going to go ahead and specify how many of the network attached storage devices we have that we want to back up, if any. I don't have any that I need to back up, so I won't put anything here. We can also select how many computers we'd like to back up. And then we're going to just fill in information for our subdomain, username, and password. Alright, so after you enter that information, go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button. Okay, so you can see I'm at the review and checkout screen here. So since this is a free trial, there's nothing that I'm actually paying. So the next thing that we'll need to do is go ahead and verify our email address. So we simply type that in here and click on Verify My Email Address. Okay, so after you verify your email address, it's going to ask you to type in your personal information here. So we just type in our name, company name, email, all that kind of information here. If we have any promotional codes, we can put that in as well. And then once you're all done, you just click on the Complete Order button. And once you fill out that information and submit that information, you'll get a confirmation page here, and here's my order number. So what I can do now is go ahead and recheck my email once again and confirm that message. And in that email, you will have your username and password to log into your account. From here, I can go ahead and head straight into my client area. Alright, so here you can see that I'm in my account, and so I have all my information here. So actually what I can do now is I can go ahead and start using the service. Alright, so now I can go ahead and click on this button here if it says Services and go to My Services. And here you can see that my TerraSafe Cloud Backup account is currently active. Alright, so now that we know our account is created, what we can do is we can actually go over here to where it says View Details. And if we scroll down here, you can see that there's an option to log into our control panel, which is what we want to do here. And now you'll notice here that it gives us the information about our account. So you can see that we have 512 gigs of capacity in our account. So let's go ahead and click on Log into Control Panel. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use the email address and password we were given in our email to go ahead and log into our account. Okay, so after you log into your account, what we can do is we can go ahead and download the client for our Windows or Mac. So what we're going to do here in this particular video is download the Windows client since we're using Windows 7. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Download the Windows client and wait for that to install. Alright, so now that we've downloaded the installer, we can go ahead and launch the installer. So about a few minutes after you launch that installer, the software should now be installed on your computer. So once it's installed, it'll either pop up and ask you for your username and password, or it'll appear in your system tray down here. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in my username and password, and click on Sign In. Okay, so now that we've signed in, what we can do is we can go ahead and choose which folders we'd like to back up. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one of my folders here, and click on Next. And you can see that TerraSafe has been successfully installed. I can click on Finish. Now we can see that TerraSafe is running in our system tray. Okay, so if I go into my system tray and I go ahead and click on TerraSafe, you can see that I have several different options. I can either manage backups, restore backups, view my TerraSafe online account, I can log out, or I can go into my settings. Here in settings, we can regularly check for updates, we can do integrity checks if we'd like to, manage our bandwidth, and our security. Okay, if I go back into my system tray and click on TerraSafe, I can click on Manage Backups here. And it's very easy to do. All I have to do is go through here and select what I would like to actually back up. So you can see under my music here, if I want, I can select to back up all of the files in my music selection and click on OK, and that'll go ahead and back all that up onto my account. Or if I would like to back up all of my pictures, I can do that. I can also select specific folders if I only want to back up a few different folders. Now you can see that if you click on TerraSafe in your system tray here, that you'll get a message that's going to say TerraSafe is either up to date or backing up. So when it's backing up, it'll tell you, and then when it's up to date, you can see that all the files that I have set to back up to my account are now successfully backed up to TerraSafe. So what I can do here now is click on View Your TerraSafe Online if I'd like to do that. And this is my TerraSafe portal. Okay, so from here what I can do is I can go ahead and click on TerraSafe Cloud Backup. And now I'll be able to browse through the files that I have saved to my TerraSafe account. So this is my computer here. I can click on it. And now you can see that I can access all the files that I've backed up using TerraSafe. So here I have all my pictures and documents that have already been backed up using TerraSafe. So another really cool thing about the online portal for TerraSafe here is that not only can I access all my files, but it's really easy to open the files. If I want, I can just double click on them and you can see that I can view my file full screen here. And I can also do a number of other things as well. I can download the file, or I can also view it in Pixlr if I'd like to do that as well. So here on this particular file, I can see the file name and some information about the file. And I'm able to access all my files that are backed up onto my account here through the TerraSafe web portal. So in addition to being able to access all of your files on your TerraSafe account from the web portal online, you can also access them through the application on your iOS device. So if you go onto your iPhone and you head to the App Store here, you'll see that there's an application called Open Access available for free in the App Store. So if you go ahead and download this application onto your device, you can go ahead and open it up and it'll look like this. So once you open the application, all you have to do is sign in using your email address and password with your TerraSafe account. And once you type in your information, just tap the login button at the top right hand corner. Okay, so now I'm logged in and I can click on this button here that says TerraSafe Cloud Backup. And you can see just like that, I can go ahead and tap on my PC that I have saved on my TerraSafe account, and I can actually access all of my files here that are backed up on my TerraSafe account. I can also view all of my photos that I have here, and you can see that I can swipe through all of my photos in my account. Another thing that I can do using the Open Access application is while I'm scrolling through them, if I have pictures saved on my TerraSafe account here, I can click on this little button in the bottom right hand corner that looks like an arrow in a box, and if I tap that, you can see that it actually saves that image straight to my device. I can also click on play to set the speed of the slideshow if I wanted to just go ahead and play through the pictures automatically, or I can favorite different pictures. I can use these little buttons in the bottom right and left hand corner to swipe between different pictures to go left and right. Additionally, if we head back to the home screen, then we can also go to this section here that says music. So if you have music that's saved onto your TerraSafe account, you can actually browse through your music by artist, album, years, genres, etc. So you can actually easily access all of your music on your TerraSafe account. Not only that, but you'll see on the home page here that if you click this little music icon, that you can also open your music player and you can play all of your music files directly on your device. Of course, you can also access your favorites and access the most recently visited files in your TerraSafe account. So that's how you can easily access all of your files backed up on TerraSafe on your iPhone or iOS device. Alright, so that's really all there is to it. That's how you can use TerraSafe to back up all your files online and keep them secure in the cloud. So go ahead and check out our website. It's TerraSafeCloud.com. Thanks for watching this video tutorial, and have a great day.